Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Valentine's Day gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for your team, especially during this season of love and camaraderie, as it fosters a positive work environment and boosts morale, making your employees feel valued and recognized for their hard work and dedication throughout the year, which can lead to increased productivity and loyalty. Number 5. Nut Cravings Dried Fruit and Mixed Nuts Gift Basket. Discover a delightful assortment of nature's finest. This gift basket is packed with a variety of dried fruits and mixed nuts, offering a perfect blend of sweet and savory. Arriving in a sophisticated black tower, this arrangement is beautifully finished with a ribbon. It's a gift that looks as good as it tastes. Explore 12 unique selections within this thoughtfully curated food arrangement. Each bite promises a new and exciting taste experience. Looking for a healthy snack option? This care package is filled with wholesome ingredients, making it a guilt-free indulgence for any occasion. Enjoy peace of mind with this kosher-certified selection. It meets high standards for quality and dietary needs. Whether for a holiday, birthday, or just because, this gift basket is sure to impress. It's a thoughtful and delicious way to show you care. What we like? This gift basket offers a delightful variety of 12 different dried fruits and nuts. It's a healthy and satisfying choice for anyone who appreciates wholesome snacking. If you're looking for a gift that caters to diverse tastes and promotes well-being, this is an excellent option for your employees. What people say. The design is elegant and the craftsmanship is excellent. It's a versatile piece that can be used for various occasions. The product is well made and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 4. BAIMEI IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Set. Discover the ultimate self-care experience with the BAIMEI IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Set. Designed for your daily wellness routine. This versatile tool helps reduce facial puffiness and can provide relief from migraines. Enjoy a cooling and revitalizing sensation. Incorporate this into your skincare regimen for a spa-like treatment at home. It's perfect for achieving a refreshed and radiant complexion. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. Treat yourself to a moment of tranquility. This set makes an ideal gift for any woman looking to enhance her self-care practices. Give the gift of relaxation and rejuvenation. Feel the gentle coolness as it glides over your skin, promoting circulation and a healthy glow. It's a simple yet effective way to pamper yourself. What we like? This set provides a refreshing way to de-stress and enhance skin. It's designed to soothe and rejuvenate, offering a spa-like experience at home. If your employees enjoy self-care routines or need a moment of relaxation, this facial roller and gua sha set is a thoughtful and pampering gift. What people say. The design is very elegant and the quality is excellent. It's a perfect size for a desk or shelf, and the craftsmanship is impressive. The product arrived well packaged and looked exactly as advertised, making it a delightful surprise. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-Pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Turn your ordinary shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make excellent presents for birthdays, Father's Day, or just because. Show your loved ones you care. Melt away stress and tension with the power of premium essential oils. Experience ultimate relaxation and self-care. Each tablet is infused with high-quality essential oils for a truly aromatic experience. Enjoy the benefits of natural aromatherapy. Just place one in your shower and let the steam activate the soothing scents. It's that easy to achieve a moment of peace. Bring the spa experience to your own bathroom. Indulge in a moment of tranquility and rejuvenation whenever you need it. What we like? Transform any shower into an aromatic sanctuary with these essential oil tablets. They are crafted to provide a deeply relaxing spa experience. If you want to offer a gift that promotes tranquility and stress relief after a long day, these shower steamers are perfect for encouraging a moment of personal peace. What people say. The design is elegant and the craftsmanship is excellent. It's a versatile piece that can be used for various occasions. The product is well made and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 2. Shower steamers, aromatherapy, luxury spa gifts. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like sensation right in your own bathroom. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make an ideal present for Father's Day, birthdays, or just because. Show your loved ones you care. Unwind and de-stress after a long day. Let the soothing aromas melt away your worries and promote deep relaxation. Bring the luxury of a spa into your home. Each tablet is designed to create a calming and invigorating atmosphere. Prioritize your well-being with these essential self-care items. Take a moment for yourself and recharge your mind and body. Don't forget your relaxation on the go. These are perfect travel essentials for maintaining your self-care routine wherever you are. What we like? Enjoy a luxurious spa-like atmosphere right in your shower with this generous pack of 10 tablets. They are designed to create a calming and aromatic environment. If your employees appreciate a touch of luxury and a convenient way to unwind, these are ideal for both home use and travel, offering relaxation on the go. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that fits any decor. The functionality is excellent, exceeding expectations. Number 1. CRAVEBOX Snacks Variety Pack, 65 count. Introducing the CRAVEBOX Snacks Variety Pack, your all-in-one solution for satisfying every craving. This generous 65 count package is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, a summer treat, or just a midday pick-me-up, this care package has you covered. It's designed to delight everyone. This box is curated with a delightful mix of candies, cookies, and chips. It's an ideal gift for men, women, boys, and girls alike. Enjoy a wide selection of popular snacks in one convenient package. It's the perfect way to discover new favorites and enjoy old classics. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This snack box is sure to be a hit, offering a diverse range of treats for any recipient. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Get ready for summer with this exciting assortment of snacks. It's perfect for picnics, road trips, or simply enjoying at home. What we like? This massive snack box is packed with 65 different treats, including candies, cookies, and chips. It's perfect for satisfying a wide range of cravings. If you need a gift that offers endless variety and is sure to please everyone, from adults to kids, this care package is a crowd pleaser for any office. What people say. The product is well designed and functional, making it a great option for employee appreciation. Employees love the variety of items included in the gift set, offering something for everyone. The packaging was attractive and professional, adding a nice touch to the overall presentation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.